In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to submit a file for an assignment. So sometimes your teacher is going to want you to complete an assignment such as typing a paper, making a PowerPoint, doing a video. So once you have done that assignment, you're going to need to submit it for the teacher to grade. So we're going to look on our course page for our July 8th class. We have an assignment. So it is your favorite animal assignment. So if you click on that link, it will take you to the assignment page. You'll see at the top, the teacher has given you some instructions on how to complete the assignment. This next part shows if you have submitted the assignment yet. So when you are ready to submit, you go down to the bottom where it says Add Submission. Okay, click on that. And then you're going to add the files. So it could be a PDF, it could be a video, it could be a Word document, depending on what the assignment is and what your teacher's instructions were. You could upload many different types of files. So to upload the file, click the file icon here. It should be on the Upload a File. Click on Browse. So for this assignment, we have to upload a picture of our favorite animal. So I have this little cute pupper here. So I'm going to click on that, click Open, and then finally upload this file. Okay, once you have uploaded it, you could click Save Changes. And now you will see that the status has changed to Submitted for Grading. Once the teacher has graded it, then it will show you the grade. Okay. You could also add some comments that you might want the teacher to see. And then if the teacher allows you to, you have these options down here to be able to edit the submission. So maybe you want to add another file, or maybe you want to take away the file that you've already added. You could all do that. And then you could also just remove the submission altogether by clicking the Remove Submission button.